Okay, so in this video I'm just going to show you how to run linear regression but using multiple variables, and I'm just going to walk through this process so that you guys can see how to do this. So we're going to go up here to Analyze, we're going to go to Regression, and we're going to go to Linear Regression. Okay, so here we are still going to be, our dependent variable is still going to be sales. And we looked at budget before, so we're going to move budget over independent. And this time we are going to include several models. So I'm going to select next, and I'm going to put airplay and their rating as well. And the independent, we're going to leave this method the same. We're going to go up here to statistics, and Andy walks through and I'll walk through in the output of this of what each one of these means, but it automatically defaults to estimate and it automatically does model fit. So we're going to do R-squared change, we're going to do descriptives. I think he calls for part and partial collinearity and confidence intervals, and also the case-wise diagnostics. And we're going to move our standard deviation to 3. So he's going to look to make sure that we don't have outliers that are beyond 2 standard deviations. We're going to click continue. Okay, so the other thing he suggests we do is we go here to plots, and we're going to do Z residual and Z predicted. All right, and we're going to do a histogram, a normal probability, and then produce all partial plots. And we're going to click continue. All right, and then the next option that we're going to go to is we're going to go to save. All right, and this is going to basically save some of the output that we have other than on the page that we get. So we want unstandardized, standardized, and adjusted predicted values. We want standardized, and we want deleted and studentized deleted residuals. We want Mahalanobis, Cook's, and leverage values. We want standardized betas, standardized defit and covariance ratio, and we want to include a covariance matrix. And again, I'll explain what each one of these are once we've run this. So that's everything that we need to run. And hang on, he's got one more. He's got options, and we're going to look at our probability, or our F value for entry of 0.05 and 0.10, and everything there stays the same. So we're going to click OK. Okay, so we've got multiple tables in the output, and sometimes the hardest part is to figure out which of the tables do we look at. So after this video, I'm going to walk through each one of these tables and what do each of these tables mean. But that's how you would run a multiple regression linear equation. Notice we've got our 2 models. Our first model included only the budget, and the second model included budget, band image, and number of plays. So we've got 3 variables in here. So we'll walk through this after I've posted this video.